Hey subscribers, guess who's back? Today we're doing an aloe skin and hair mask. This is so good for wintertime, and guess what? It's under $2. Honestly, it is amazing. What you do is you slice it down the middle. You can cut it into 2 pieces. Longer hair, you can use a little bit more. You can see it has a jelly-like consistency. This is the flesh. This is where all the nutrients is. This is what's going to be helping us with our skin and hair. You're going to take it, cut it straight down the flesh. Honestly, this knife will just slide right down. So before you begin, I will warn you, it is a little bit cool, but honestly, it is so refreshing. Take the flesh itself and just soak it in your head. Massage it in, pat it in, get all that nutrients right down to your scalp. Oopsie, we have an aloe boogie. Now leave it on 20 to 30 minutes. Grab yourself something to eat like I always do because I just love food. And then you're gonna go ahead, rinse it off. Once you see it's in this dry white consistency, it's all soaked in. And yeah, voila, this is it. This is it, blow dried, healthy, no conditioner, just shampoo and the aloe mask. This is it. And like always, peace, love, and good skin. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, click that button, yo.